All right, solve a little bit more difficult equations with me. We have this cool little foldable, and we are remembering the phrase, don't call me after midnight. And really, don't call me after midnight because I'm asleep. Anyway, the don't is for distribute. Remember, distribute means to multiply what's on the outside of the parenthesis with everything that's on the inside of the parenthesis. We're going to do that for every set of parentheses. So in this case, 2 of them. So 4 times 2y is 8y. 4 times 3 is 12. And then carry down the rest. Negative times positive 3y is negative 3y. Negative 3, there's not a 1 here, but it's like a negative 1. Times negative 1 is positive 1. And then bring down the plus 29. So we have done the first step. Flip your foldable. Okay. For call, it's combine like terms. And we are only combining on the same side of the equal sign. So on this side of the equal sign, we have 2 different terms with y's. So 8 minus 2 is 6y. All right, on the other side here, we don't have 2 y values, but we do have 2 constants, which just means something without a variable. So that would be negative 3y plus 30, because 1 plus 29 is 30. Flip your foldable for me. So don't call me. We're going to move the variable, okay? So we're going to pick on the little guy. So is 6y or negative 3y the little guy? It'd be the negative 3y. I'm going to do the inverse of negative, which is positive. So I'm going to add 3y to both sides. And get 9y plus 12 equals 30. Hopefully this problem's looking way easier than it was before. Next step is our addition or subtraction. So this should look like what we did in last class. So subtract 12 here, 30 minus 12 would be 18. We're almost there, almost. Undo our multiplication or division. In this case, it's multiplying. So we're going to undo it by dividing. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. And our last step, we got the solution of 2. So we just want to make sure that that works. Everywhere that there's a y, I am plugging in or substituting in a 2. Okay. Now, if you're feeling lazy, take your calculator and check that side, and then check that side on a different line in your calculator, and if they match, they're the same. I don't have my calculator next to me, so I'm actually going to do some math here. Okay, so let's see if the other side I get 24. And I do. So 24 equals 24. I have done it correctly. I am now ready to solve equations on my own.